Hello and welcome to Han Crypto Guide. Today I got a good one for you guys. I have an unboxing A to Z how-to guide for the Ledger NANO S. It's going to be a detailed video, lots of love put into this video. If you can please like, comment, and subscribe, it'd mean the world to me. I really do appreciate all the love and feedback coming from the community. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So first, we're going to go ahead and jump to ledger.com. Okay, so make sure that is ledger.com. Now, all the links is going to be in the description below. When purchasing one of these products, go ahead and click on products, and you have options between the Ledger NANO S and Ledger NANO X. The Ledger NANO S Plus, I think you have to be on a waiting list as of now, so that still has not came out. But if you are interested in putting your name on a waiting list, you're more than welcome to do so. But today we're going to be going for the Ledger NANO S. You have multiple colors to choose from. Go add to cart, and when you check out, you have some options, and it comes out to 79.05. Now, in my benefit, why I was really pleased with my selection, I didn't have to pay shipping. That's one of the perks of going for the bundle. And just to show you guys, bundle deals and Ledger backup pack. So I paid $179 for the two. Add to cart. Let's go ahead and remove this guy, and you pay 0 shipping. Basically what they're stating here is that you're getting 50% off on the Ledger NANO S if you do the bundle deal. So if you're interested, that's how you do it. So go through the prompts on the checkout, fill out your information, credit card information, and you're good to go. Now for the unboxing, let's go ahead and remove this plastic sheet. For tomorrow, I will be producing a video out for the Ledger NANO X, and this is going to be for the mobile devices. So I'll show you a how-to guide on how to set up on a mobile device. Today is going to be for the Ledger NANO S. We're going to be using a computer. So all the software, all the backups, all the downloads is going to be done on a computer. So I'll go ahead and show you how we get that done. While we're recording these, I'm at a weird angle, so that's why it's kind of difficult to get out. So you do have a plastic film that is sealed. Now they do ask you on the website to verify to make sure this plastic was not tampered with. You need a sealed package to make sure that you have a good one. First, let's go ahead and blow this up for you guys. All right, so here we have it. Go ahead and open up the Ledger NANO S. All right. So when opening, let's see what we got. Here is your ledger. What I noticed, it is kind of loose. You can see just not solid, but I mean, feels all right. In the box, it looks like you get a keyring, USB wire, a keychain, lanyard that you can clip on, detach, my 24-word recovery phrase. You got a few of them. Let's move all this out of the way. Alrighty, now moving on to the setup. Go ahead and plug in your USB wire to your PC or Mac. On the display screen, it should state, "Welcome to Ledger NANO S." Go ahead and select the right button. Press left or right button to navigate. Press both buttons to validate. Get started. Ledger.com/start. Set up as new device. Restore from recovery phrase. Reminder, press both buttons to validate. Pretty cool. So this is where we're going to get started. First, we want to select setup as new device. The 2 buttons simultaneously at the top to select. Now it states to choose a pin. Click simultaneously, and now you get to select your pin. Up arrow and the down arrow to the left. So for the sake of ease, I'm just going to select 111. Click simultaneously to continue. Confirm your pin. Will generate 24-word seed phrase. Now this is the very important part. This is the part where you never want to have any digital evidence of your seed phrase. I've said this in previous videos, your seed phrase is the key to your bank account. The moment you give access to anybody else, you are now sharing that seed or your bank account with that person. Keep that in mind. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you my seed phrase, but follow the prompts. States here, your device will generate 24 words. They are your recovery phrase. It is your only backup to restore your accounts if needed. Write it down on your recovery sheet in the correct order. Press the button to continue. So this is where we're going to generate the seeds. Alrighty, so now to continue further, let's go ahead and double click. Alright, so once you have completed all 24 words, the next prompt, it should ask you to verify. Recovery phrase is set. Keep it in a secure place. It states, if lost, stolen, or forgotten, all your assets will be irremediably lost. Never share it with anyone. Ledger will never ask you for it. Your device is now ready. Press buttons to enter dashboard. And there you go. Now you have officially set up the ledger with your seed phrase as a new account. So let's go ahead and go to the next step. So now let's go back to the main website, ledger.com. You're going to want to go to apps and services on the top menu bar and select downloads. Go ahead and select desktop. In our case, we will be doing the desktop. Now tomorrow we will be working on the Ledger Nano X and we'll be using the mobile device. Go ahead and select download. In my case, I am using a Windows app. Once the download is complete, you're going to want to go through the prompts that it's stating here to complete the installation. Go ahead and select Get Started. I have read and accept the terms and conditions. We'll be selecting Nano S. First time using Nano S. Go ahead and select First Use. Access your crypto. Once you have gone through all the prompts, go ahead and select Let's Do This. And basically it will take you through all of the prompts that I have currently taken you through. You can go ahead and select Ready. And it will go through all the prompts. And basically everything that we have covered. Once it's doing its verification of authenticity, go ahead and select both buttons simultaneously. And there you go, the confetti. Select Continue. Now you are on the user interface for Ledger. And in order to access your crypto, you can add, or let's say you want to access certain blockchains, you can add whatever crypto assets you decide. So for example, Binance Smart Chain, you can go ahead and click Continue. And now it is downloading the Binance Smart Chain application to my device. In order to see your address, go ahead and select Accounts, and for this sake we will select Binance Smart Chain. Go ahead and select Receive. Go ahead and select Continue. On the device itself, it should prompt you to verify address. Once you've gone through the prompts, address for the Binance Smart Chain, show QR code. And there you have it, folks. we have just uncovered an unboxing of the Ledger Nano S, a how-to guide setup from A to Z. Wasn't too complicated. Hopefully in the future I will get that Ledger Nano X published out for you guys, produced for you guys tomorrow. And I'll give a step-by-step how-to guide on a phone application, and hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe. It means the world to me. I put a lot of love and effort into these videos. As always, guys, love you all. See you in the next video.